What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to go over 7 ways that you can go and promote a Clickbank product for free. You don't have to spend any money and you can get free traffic with these methods. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is a platform where you can actually find products that someone else has created and you can go and promote these for what we call an affiliate commission. Now, the good thing about doing it this way is, first of all, you don't need your own product, so you don't need to worry about creating one that takes months to do. You don't have to worry about support or anything like that. All you need to worry about is getting the traffic to that product and you make a commission. Now, it's a win-win for everybody. It's a win for the creator because they can focus more on the actual product and the support. And it's a win for you because you don't have to focus on the product and support. You can just focus on getting the traffic, because when you actually have your own product like I do, one of the biggest problems is if you focus too much on the product, on the traffic and things like that, things can get overwhelming and you actually, in the end, make less than what you probably could have if you just focused on the particular product. So that's how Clickbank works. It's essentially just a platform that people use for a checkout system, and then people like me and you or anybody can go and sign up and promote products for a commission, and the commissions usually range from 30% all the way up to 70% on that particular platform. Now, that's all good, but how do you actually get the traffic? How do you send people to these particular offers so you can make money? Now, I do want to stress that when you're promoting products from Clickbank and stuff like that, there's one important thing that you should do. Now, you can go and promote these products straight to the affiliate link, but you will come across a lot of problems down the line. So what you want to do is you want to go and create what we call a bridge page. So you want to create a page where you actually collect an email, then you direct them to the offer. There's 2 reasons why you want to do this. Number 1, you're pretty much cloaking the affiliate link, so you won't have any issues when you post it anywhere. Number 2, you're collecting an email, so you can build an email list and you can keep promoting that product in the back end, or you can build up an email list so you can promote future products. So you probably already know about Clickbank. That's why you're on this video. So how do you actually get traffic? How do you promote and get people to it for free and make money without spending any money? Now, I also do want to stress that these methods, it's not get rich quick, make money overnight. These do take time, but you can easily make between $50, $100, and probably up to $200 per day by doing these methods. And one of the methods, number 2, you can make thousands of dollars per week, which is what I do, and I will explain to you how that works. So method number 1, guys, is one of my favorites, and I've been doing this for a long time, and this is Pinterest. So Pinterest is a search engine. If you don't know what Pinterest is, essentially people go and search things and an image will come up and then people click on that image and they can go to a link. Now, Pinterest is one of the biggest search engines online, and it works exactly like a search engine. You optimize things for them to rank higher. Now, you can go and create free Pinterest pins at a place called canva.com, and all you do is create a pin. So what I would recommend doing is kind of like building some sort of bridge page that might be like, hey, how to make money online, 5 different ways for free, and then go and create a Pinterest pin and post it on Pinterest, and then people will click on that and go to your page. You can use free website builders to do that, and that's essentially what a bridge page is. If you go and use Pinterest and go how to make money online and send people straight to an affiliate link, you're probably not going to make a lot of money because you have to warm them up first. So I recommend using something like a free WordPress website or Wix. They have free versions. Create a long form post. You can write it out yourself and then have your affiliate links in that post. But Pinterest is a great way, guys. I know people that get hundreds and thousands of visits per month to their websites and links through Pinterest. It is one of the best ways to get free organic traffic to your website or to your Clickbank offers. Now, number 2 is one of my favorites, and it's really becomes quite passive, and that is, you could probably guess by looking at it, is search engine optimization and a blog. You can actually create a free blog with Wix or WordPress. I would recommend probably paying for one, but the traffic is free. So what you want to do, I'll leave some videos in the description, is learn how to rank blog posts for specific keywords. So let's say you go and find a product on how to make money online on Clickbank. You can go and do a blog post, 17 best ways to make money online in 2019. And in that blog post, you can have what we call hyperlinks out to your affiliate marketing link. And I know blogs that make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month doing this exact method. Now, it does take a long time to build up trust and authority with Google. I'm not saying go and do one post and you'll become rich, but you can build up a very good business with this business model. And that's essentially what a lot of affiliate marketers do. We go and build blogs based on a specific topic, and we monetize those blogs by putting in affiliate links like Clickbank products that are related to the topic. So it's a great way to go and get free traffic. Now, number 3 is pretty good. I don't have a lot of experience with this. God, the tape's really strong. I don't have a lot of experience with this, but Instagram is a great way to go and get traffic as well. Now, I actually did a video not long ago, I'll leave it in the description, on an exact tutorial on how to go and build up Instagram profiles, get free traffic to your affiliate links. Now, I would recommend a bridge page for Instagram because they do ban a lot of affiliate links. Sometimes they get through, sometimes they don't. But essentially, what you want to do is go and build up an Instagram profile in your particular niche. So actually on Clickbank, there's a product about woodworking. And you can actually go and find viral woodworking videos on Instagram. You can repost them to your Instagram and you can build that Instagram up. Then in the profile link, you can actually have a link to the Clickbank product and you can make good money that way. So that's Instagram. I actually do want to mention though, don't go and try to do all of these methods, right? Try and focus on one. And then once you start getting traffic from one method, then focus on the next one, and that's how you scale. So Instagram is a great way to go and get free traffic to your Clickbank links. However, I don't have too much experience with that, but it does work extremely well. Now, number 4, guys, is one of my favorites, and we're on this platform right now, and that is YouTube. Now, YouTube is crazy blowing up right now. There is just traffic coming into YouTube, and it's the second biggest search engine online. So there is a lot of money to be made on YouTube. What you want to do, and you don't even have to do the actual video, you can pay someone to do a video for you if you like, but essentially YouTube traffic is completely free. It's all organic unless you want to run ads, but that's not what we're talking about in this video. YouTube is blowing up, guys. There's so much money to be made on YouTube. All you do is do a video based on a specific product. It could be a review or something like that. In the description, you leave a little link. Like in this video, there's lots of descriptions to things that I own and I make money from that. And it really is a great way to get organic traffic to the products that you're trying to promote. Now, the good thing about YouTube, guys, is the videos make passive income for a long time. I have videos that I posted 4 years ago, I think now, and they still make me money by people clicking on the affiliate links in the description. Now, when I say Clickbank, I mean Clickbank, but you can actually use these methods for any affiliate marketing thing that you're promoting. So for example, if you're promoting a software like ClickFunnels or GetResponse or something like that, these methods work exactly the same. So a lot of my YouTube videos from back in the day, they have links to web hosting services, GetResponse, ClickFunnels, Clickbank, and I make money from all of those particular links. Now, one thing that people don't realize is it's a compounding effect. The more content you put out, the more money you'll eventually make, and it just goes like this, right? This goes up and up and up and up on a very steady trajectory, and it's very consistent, and it just builds up over time. It's like a bank account. When you put more money in, you get more interest in return. When you put more effort into this stuff, you get more money in return. So YouTube is probably my top free traffic source at this point of time for affiliate marketing, and well, probably number 2, and then YouTube would be the second most popular traffic source that I use. Now, number 5 is kind of old school, but it still does work quite well. And what you want to do is you want to basically go into Google and find your keywords. So let's say you're promoting a product on woodworking, right? You would go into Google and find DIY blogs about building stuff. And you would filter out for people in the last 24 hours, results in the last 24 hours. And you would find blogs and articles that are recent. And you would go down on those blogs and you would type a very informative comment, okay? Don't spam. And what will happen is those blog comments stay there forever. Now, when you do it on blog posts that are new, they have a chance of going viral. And what happens is those people go and send those blog posts to their email list, to their YouTube, and they get lots of traffic, right? But you want to do it on a new post. And you can also go and set up what we call Google Alerts, and Google will alert you every time there's a new post in your niche. Now, this is completely free. It doesn't take much effort at all. You can do this for a few hours a day. Now, you're not going to become a millionaire doing this. By all means, it will never happen. However, you can make 20, 30, 40 bucks per day doing this, 50 bucks per day. When I started doing Clickbank a few years ago, this is one of the first methods I used, and I got to $100 a day doing this particular method. It does take time. It is a bit of a grind, but it's completely free, and you can literally, anybody can do it. Now, number 6, guys, is one that I do as well. Now, these are called ad coupons. Now, what happens is with Google ads, Facebook ads, and all that sort of stuff, they want people to use their platform. So what they do is they give away free coupons. So Google ads will be like, hey, if you sign up with us, we'll give you $150 of free advertising. So you can go and sign up to Google ads and you get $150 free advertising. Now, I don't know, it could be $150, it could be $100, it could be $50. Some countries you don't even get that, but you can go and try and get what we call ad coupons, free advertising that you can literally use. Now, a lot of these Clickbank products work extremely well on advertising, especially Google ads and YouTube ads and stuff like that. So you can essentially go and spend that money, and if you've made money out of that $150 or $100, then you can put money in yourself and start making a good profit and scale because you know that it's going to make money. So ad coupons are a great way to get started in advertising, and you can get them for free from most ad networks. Now, number 7 is a great one as well. However, I will warn you that you cannot spam as well, okay? Don't spam, don't be a jerk. Don't just go into a forum and be like, hey guys, check out my Clickbank link, you will make lots of money. It won't get approved. So what you want to do with forums is you want to create a website. Okay, I've done this hundreds of times. In fact, this is one of the reasons why I became popular in the make money online space. I made an account on forums, I created value that got approved, people loved it, they clicked on my links to my website where I had affiliate links, okay? So create a website based on a Clickbank product or any other affiliate product if you like. Go to forums, become active for 3-4 months, and you'll start to get content. Wait, 3 or 4 months? I don't want to wait that long. Guys, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to build up traffic when you're doing forums, right? So forums is a great way to go out and get free traffic, but you need to do it properly. Don't spam, or you're not going to make any money with this particular method. All right, guys, that's 7 ways you can go out there and promote your Clickbank products. Now, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, how to make money with Clickbank and affiliate marketing, I'll leave some videos up on the screen. There is a playlist. There is a free video that will take you through step by step on how to start affiliate marketing from scratch, and it'll help you actually understand how affiliate marketing works and how you can make good money with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right. Click it right now, and I'll see you there, and I'll teach you exactly how you can make money online and some more methods on how to promote your Clickbank products.